guys, it's Richard at Lucas Ellesmere Port here, and today I'm going to show you how to correctly fold the rear seats in the Mokka and the Mokka X. So sometimes you're going to need to carry things in the boot of your car that are a bit too long or awkwardly shaped, like this. So we're going to show you how to fold the rear seats to make the most out of the space inside. If this is your first visit to our channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, tell us below in the comments section. Okay, so the Mokka and the Mokka X come with a 40-60 split on the rear seats. This is fantastic if you want more load space in your boot but still need room for passengers. You can drop this side down and still have room for 2 passengers, or drop down this side, increasing the load space but still allowing you to carry 1 additional rear passenger. So let's show you how to drop them down. The first thing we're going to need to do is push this headrest down fully. It does have a lock, as you can see here. Simply press that in and push the headrest down all the way. Now we need to look down here at the front section of the seat cushion. You will notice a little tab, and pulling this releases the lock and allows the seat cushion to be lifted perpendicular. Next, you need to release the backrest. Simply pull this handle at the top to unlock it and drop it down into the space left by the seat cushion. This can be done with either side or both at the same time. So there you have it, the guide to make the most out of your boot space in the Mokka or Mokka X. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
We're offering 3 people a chance to come to Lucas Ellesmere Port to win a 3-hour test drive in one of the 3 new cars Vauxhall are releasing this year. The cars are the Corsa, the Corsa E and the Grandland X Hybrid 4.
For your chance to win this amazing prize, all you need to do are 3 things. Simply like one of our videos, subscribe to the Lucas Ellesmere Port YouTube channel, and comment below one of the videos that you've done so. This will put you into the prize draw to be one of the first people to come and drive one of these 3 amazing new cars.